So we took an Altoids tin, punched some holes in it, put some denim jeans in there also, threw it in the fire for about 15 minutes, and we get some char cloth. This is just a tiny amount of what I made, just for demonstration purposes. So let me try to get this camera set up in such a way where we can see how easy it is for char cloth to light. So, okay, now I'm going to use just let's try that again. So I'm going to use a cheap $2 Firestarter from Harbor Freight. As you can see, it's been well used. So just for demonstration purposes, we're going to show how easy this char cloth lights. With one strike of this, it should catch, well, turn to smoldering ember at least. See it? Char cloth. The best and easiest way to get a fire started. Besides using gasoline and a lighter, of course. But with this, you can also close it up. Use it as a hand warmer, even. It'll stay smoldering in there for a good long while. So, again, it's just an Altoids tin with some holes punched in it. I cut pieces of denim jeans just to fit in here. I pack it up, close it up, throw it on the fire. Smoke will come out here. When the smoke stops, that's it. You're done. Then you just let it sit, cool down. See, it's still smoldering. This is a great way also if you needed to transfer fire somewhere if you needed to. Obviously, it's kind of redundant to have to do that if you have this, but as you see, this just smolders for a long time. And you can literally put it into a little bird's nest of any kind of kindling, you know, and I just still find this such an amazing, cool thing. Again, it's just denim jeans cut up, basically cooked, and it's like pure carbon. So, how to make char cloth, how easy char cloth is to light a fire. Basically, I'll make another video on using this to actually build a fire. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.